Hey, what's up? Today's video is for all of you HubSpot users and fans out there, especially you that are utilizing HubSpot's HubDB, their database feature. And even better, if you're already utilizing my Happy Center kit. Now, if you are familiar with the Happy Center, you'll know that I have built this for my very own knowledge base for the Clean Pro theme. You have probably been here and seen many of my videos. You probably also know that I productized this so that you can utilize HubDB yourself to create a resource center, a knowledge base, a video gallery, you name it. It is a super powerful kit, but I'm not here to sell you my Happy Center kit because I've probably already done that about a million times. More so, I want to point out a little bit of the pain point in utilizing HubDB, which this other app, not of my own, solves and you can start utilizing today, especially if you're already utilizing HubDB for any of your website content or your very own Happy Center for that matter. Now, if you've ever been inside a HubDB table, you'll know that it looks a little daunting. If you're not used to looking at spreadsheets or database tables, you'll probably look at this and think to yourself, what the hell am I getting myself into? Do I really want to edit content in this thing? Now, for all intents and purposes, it's not terrible, but it's not awesome. And that's what this tool solves. So generally, if you wanted to come through and edit a row of content, you'd basically have to kind of like click through here. Enter Brave Tools. Now, Brave is actually a Clean Pro partner. The owner of the agency is a good buddy, longtime friend, and he has created this really cool tool set for HubSpot, and namely the HubDB editor, which I'll show you. But I'm going to link the description to this landing page here so you can check it out. But I just want to show you some of the inner workings so that if you are also, like me, a little frustrated with the editing experience, well, you can become a little less frustrated with this tool. So here we are, we're inside Brave Tools. I already have my own account, but basically what I want to show you is the HubDB editor. Now, in order to get this to work, of course, you would go through here and connect with HubSpot. It's seamless, they have an app. It'll just connect your HubSpot account. That way it can sync with your HubDB. So once you have that, you can go into the HubDB editor. Now, I want to be very clear while I am pitching and promoting the Happy Center kit, because it's my own product, this will work with any HubDB instance. So it's not specific to Happy Center kit. So if you're managing multiple HubDB tables for other use cases, this will work for you. At any rate, if we go in and we edit, say, my knowledge base, and this is connected directly to my very own knowledge base, you're going to see here that the whole existing editing experience is just a little bit more dialed in, right? Where you can actually scroll down, see the article, you can see the tags, you can see everything in one view rather than having that kind of long, skinny horizontal view. I can do pretty much everything here that you would normally be able to do in a rich text editor. I'm sure you're used to that in HubSpot. As well as access all the other fields. Now, the one field, as it's getting called out here, that is not yet integrated is related to HubSpot's native video platform. Not a big deal. It's very easy just to go in and associate in the HubDB table. But I just want to show you this because I've had a lot of people express a bit of the pain that comes with editing HubDB. Now, another cool thing, if you are considering the Happy Center kit itself, this guy, you can always pop over. I'll add a link to this as well in case you are curious in the Happy Center. But there is some setup for the HubDB table itself. Now, the cool thing is the guys over at Brave have integrated the Happy Center setup right here. So it's literally like one click and it installs all of the needed column structure for your Happy Center kit with just like a couple clicks. It's pretty seamless. It makes everyone probably go for my lower package. So thanks, guys. You're not helping me sell this other done for you package, but at any rate, it's so cool because you can get that thing going really, really fast. And that's what I got for you today. I just want to share this cool new tool for all of you that are out there experiencing a little bit of that pain point like I am. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. That's all I got for you today. Hope you're having a fantastic week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.